Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So 3D style animations are some of the most eye-catching visuals you can create with OpenArt. While it doesn't offer full 3D modeling, you can simulate high-quality 3D animation using the right prompt style and workflow. Okay, so in this guide, I will show you step by step how to make 3D animations using OpenArt in 2026. Okay, so first thing first, choose your 3D style. So define your visual directions. Okay, so for example, the style is Pixar style, realistic 3D render, game style. Okay, define lighting, materials, mood. For example, you can write 3D Pixar style characters, soft lighting, colorful environments. Okay, just an example. So create the 3D characters. Okay, so open OpenArt's image generator. Okay, generate your character. For example, you have a prompt like, just an example, 3D character Pixar style. Okay, smooth skin, soft lighting, high detail, cinematic render. So save your best results, use as reference for consistency. Okay, so create a 3D environments, generate scenes like rooms, streets, fantasy worlds. Okay, so for example, you have 3D environments, modern room, realistic lighting, ray tracing, and high detail. So for example, you can make it like this. Okay, so match style with character. Okay, so generate animated clips like OpenArt's video generator. Okay, animate your scenes like you can work with this prompt. So this is just an example. Okay, 3D character walking, cinematic motion, smooth animation, depth of field. Okay, so keep clips from 3 to 6 seconds and one action per clip. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.